So I'm here in Baltimore, Maryland, about 2 miles from downtown in the Hamden neighborhood. Now, we're right in the center of all the universities. Now, I hear that they've got a place where you sit at the counter as the chef's cook. The dude that owns it is from Italy, and the place is legit. This is Grano Pasta Bar.
Vanilla vodka.
People come here for the pasta because it is homemade.
We get to watch people cook before our eyes.
There you go, beautiful lady.
Once you find out it's here, then it's hard to go anywhere else.
But blink, and you might miss it. At only 400 square feet, this joint's been making room for just one thing since Naples-born chef Gino Troia opened in 08.
This is an Italian pasta restaurant. Pasta is the foundation, no pizza.
The homemade pastas, you can tell it's fresh, it has just been made.
Is the pasta tender?
Truffle.
Quindi vongole positano.
The clam dish is delicious.
It has a lovely light sauce, just a touch of wine.
Delicious. There's a lot of flavor, simple ingredients.
Simple.
Wait, I love the spinach included in there. The clams aren't overcooked. I think out of everything, the tomatoes are what add the diversity to the
They're
dish.
very important.
Coming from Naples, you're gonna do a dish like this, you better deliver, and you sure delivered, man. That is awesome. Fantastic.
It just has the right amount of herbs in the sauce. Gino is very particular about making sure that he gets whatever is fresh that day.
You guys are from this area?
Yes.
Lots of Italian joints. How many of these kind of places you can sit here and watch everybody cook?
Not a whole lot. Everything just comes together in an atmosphere that's pleasant.
Ravioli ai funghi.
Ravioli with a cream sauce and wild mushrooms and sprinkles of truffles on top.
You're gonna put a little truffle on top of it.
It's okay, have a heavy.
Buon appetito.
It's rich, it's light, it's earthy. That's outrageous. I mean, you hand make everything. The pasta, the filling. Delicious dish.
Thank you.
Outrageous.
It just almost melts in your mouth.
When you taste it, the mushrooms and the natural flavors come through.
This is my Aunt Patty and my Uncle Ray. So break it down.
I've never had anything so good in my life. It's so delicious. It's really tender, very flavorful.
A place like this, good food, what more could you ask for?
It's the bomb.
See, and you wondered where I came up with all the lingo?
The best restaurant in town.
Old school, real deal. This is the kind of place that everybody wishes they had in their town. What a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gino.